I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by checking where deleted photos usually live. Open Photos, tap Albums, then Recently Deleted. Items stay for 30 days, so recover quickly. If not there, make sure you are signed into your Apple ID and that iCloud Photos is on. This syncs originals across devices. Once done, log into iCloud. Comb from a browser to inspect photos. Sometimes the web view shows items the device UI hides. These steps locate recoverable files before using more advanced tools. You now move to Backups. Determine which backup likely contains the deleted photo. In Settings, view iCloud Backup Date. On a computer, inspect iTunes or Finder backups and their timestamps. If the backup predates deletion, you can restore the entire device. Be aware this replaces current data, so backup first. Alternatively, use trusted third-party extraction software to pull photos from a local backup without erasing the phone. Make sure you verify backup integrity before restoring to avoid losing newer items. You finish by restoring from the selected backup or extracting the photos with a recovery tool. If restoring from iCloud, erase iPhone and use Restore from iCloud Backup during setup. If using a computer, choose Restore from Finder/iTunes. Once complete, check Photos and Recently Deleted again. If items still aren't there, try third-party recovery carefully and make sure to scan for malware. Finally, verify other devices and shared albums. If problems persist, contact Apple support for account-level checks and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.